Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Odoo accounting software. If you're looking for an easy way to manage your finance, track transaction and automate accounting process, then this tutorial is for you. Well, I will go through everything from the setting up Odoo accounting to connecting your bank and managing invoices. So let's dive in. First of all, first thing first, go to odoo.com and sign in to your account and log in. After that, go to the application section, click on this icon, my profile icon, and go to my database. From there, click on connect. If you have created the website, it will show like that. And from there, just I already added the accounting software in my profile. But if you are not, click on just simply click on applications. From there, you have to add just for accounting. It will show up here. Then just install that accounting application and install and click on that. From here you can just see sales, and you can as well as connect your bank account, uh, match invoice automatically. For how you can connect your bank account, for example, if you are using if you are a local, these banks are local, but if you want to search a specific bank, just click on that. uh, Search button, search bar is you can see there. Search your bank, for example, Bank of America. After searching of Bank of America, you can see there you have options. You can just simply find your bank, Bank of America. The spelling of America is wrong. As you can see, Bank of America. Just click on Bank of America, Indian American Express, whatever you have, the bank, and just uh, select your account type and connect the bank. From there you can see you can see all your transactions. I will not connect my bank account because some privacy issues. You can just connect and see you can manage all your transactions from here. From this option you can just purchases, show your see your purchases, let artificial intelligence scan your bills and pay easily. It will just it is very helpful tool, and you can see this uh, text deadlines. For these are text deadlines, set company data, set period, the remove chart of account. You can see after there going. From here you can see the dashboard, customer, vendor, accounting and reporting, and configuration as well. For example, you can go to invoice. From here you can just create a custom uh, invoice. Just customer, go to invoice and create new. You can create invoice from here. Give a customer invoice name, for example, give a INV, whatever the invoice is, and address, customer name on tax ID, whatever your name, the customer ID, invoice date, select due date, and payment terms, whatever the payment terms are, and journals, sales, or whatever. You can also search more. I mean, like you can whole customization, or you can general add items, you can add other information as well, invoice lines. From here you can add a tax amount. So this is how you can create your custom invoice. This is draft. I don't need to create an invoice. You can just fill out these all the from things, and you can just uh, whatever you want to do with the invoice. From there you can credit notes and payment, batch payment. You can just go there and you can find your things. For example, if you go to products, the products will appear here. If like if you want to go to bills, all the bills you can see here. And if you go to click on refunds, you can just create a vendor credit note, whatever. Like, this keeps your book update, ensuring you always know how much you are spending and earnings, and the whatever is. And before wrapping up, let's quick check your setting. Go to configurations. From there, you go to settings. uh, this is and set up your tax rates. From here, tax returns period and multiple currencies if needed. You can just if you have a multiple bank accounts, go to configuration and bank and add them, and that's it. How you know how to get started with Odoo accounting software, from installing the app to connect your bank, managing invoices, and setting up transactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.